I lost $33 today on MMS by not letting the market approve itself. If you look at today coming in, we had a 2-2, a 2 and a failed 2 up on a 4 hour, and we had a 2-1 on a 6 hour. So for looking price for coming in, I was already looking for price to break the high of the day and continue for a bullish run. But I seen we had a lot of noise right here. If you see, we had a high right here, we had a high right here, and we had a high right here. So coming into the day, my plan was to trade MYM. It wasn't to trade M2K. If you see, I wanted to take price from here all the way up into here because MMS, I knew we had a lot of noise. But coming into the market, I let the market play out and I took an M2K trade. I seen this 3 right here, there's 1, and I enter on this 2. But when I enter on this 2 right here, I seen price trying to pull back and eventually reverse, and I exit the trade for a $12 win for a price to eventually come down way down here. So that was a bad management trade on my end for M2K. I could have profited at least a 1-to-1. $50 move right here that I didn't take profit of and just made $12. Then I double backed on MMS, and this is where I got faked out at. I'm thinking price wanted to go bearish, right? But this is my 50 fib level. If you see price came back and rejected the 50 fib level, came back up, rejected, and went on a bull run. I entered right here on this 212 reversal, thinking price was going to eventually reverse and pull back. I think price was going to reverse and eventually pull back down to this level. But a good indication that it wasn't was this 50 fib level. I should have trusted this fib level right here, but I seen these price. I seen price was rejecting the daily high. So I seen he was rejecting the daily high, and I came down right here. But it was 3 signs I shouldn't have entered this. My stop loss was too wide. The market made an unexpected move, and I wasn't trading with the higher time frame. My higher time frame plan on going bullish. So I accepted this loss. It was a $45 loss that brought me down to $33 today. You know, I'm not mad about it. It's okay. I'm happy because the market actually did what I planning on to do. It's just that I didn't respect this fib level and I didn't respect the higher time frame. So that's an acceptable loss. And I can honestly say that I was following my rules. You know, like I said, this right here, it rejected the daily level. So I was respecting the daily level and expecting the price to come back. And if you look, price kind of was choppy in the morning. It pushed up, pushed down, pushed up, pushed down, and finally broke out for a small run. So if you look at the market really was choppy all morning. It had no real direction. And it had no direction until 11:30. And around this time I was already asleep in bed, you know. So I accept my $30 loss that I took today. And I really should never took a loss. Like I say, on M2K, I would have had a $50 clean move and I would have been done for the day with the market. But I wasn't expecting the market to do this. The market immediately failed, pushed back to that fib level, and came back and retested. So that's a loss that I'll take. That's my first loss that I've took in 10 days. First loss that I took in 10 days following my rules. So it's been 10 days that I've been following my rules with my pre-market, with my entry. And my biggest problem is my management right now. I can't seem to allow the candle to close on the 15 minute. It's like sometimes that price be too long. It might erase back all my gains or something like that. So lately I've been playing around with the 7-minute chart. I kind of been liking the 7-minute chart. The 5-minute chart's been a little too fast for me, so I've been playing around with the 7-minute chart. So over this weekend, I'm gonna do some studying. I'm gonna do some back testing, and we're just gonna master the 7-minute chart on these levels. I always remember to put a stop loss, protect your profits, and you got to put in that chart time. The chart time is what's going to allow you to get better. It's going to allow you to see those moves clearly. So don't forget to put in your chart time, put a stop loss on all your trades, and always remember to have a maximum risk day. My risk is $100 a day, But today I lost $30. So you gotta have a day where you can't risk it all, lose it all. The name of the game is to maximize your wins and shorten your losses. If you can understand that, then you can be a profitable day trader.